Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Soren Paape, one of the owners of Smile Now Dental Group. A common question we get, especially from patients who are busy, retired, or have big plans coming up is, can I travel after getting dental implants? Whether it's a vacation, a business trip, or visiting family, I totally get it. Life doesn't just stop because you had a dental procedure. So today I'm going to walk you through when it's safe to travel after dental implant surgery, what to consider depending on your treatment, and how we can help you plan around your schedule so you're safe, comfortable, and ready for takeoff. The short answer is yes, you absolutely can travel after getting dental implants, but the timing depends on your specific case and what kind of procedure you just had. Dental implants are a surgical procedure, and like any surgery, your body needs time to heal. So we want to balance your lifestyle and travel goals with your safety and recovery. If you just had your dental implants placed, especially a full arch procedure such as all-on-4 or all-on-6, here's what you need to know. Try to wait at least 5 to 7 days before flying or going long distance. Why? Because the first few days after surgery are when you're going to most likely experience swelling, bruising, minor discomfort, soreness. You don't want to be out of town or out of the country if something minor needs adjusting. So ideally, we recommend staying local for at least a week post-op. If your implants are already healed and you're coming in to receive your final prosthetic, you're totally fine to travel immediately after, as long as the fit's secure and your bite feels okay. We still recommend giving yourself a day or two in case you need any quick adjustments, but it's not necessary. And after that, you're totally good to go. If you're planning to travel around your dental treatment, here are a few key things to consider. The type of implant is important, and single tooth implants are going to heal a lot faster and require a lot less downtime than full arch procedures. Sedation or general anesthesia is important. If your procedure involves sedation, you want to wait at least 24 to 48 hours of rest before you get on the plane or hit the road. Altitude sensitivity. Flying too soon after surgery can sometimes increase swelling due to pressure changes. Waiting a few extra days minimizes that risk. Access to care. If you're traveling far, consider what happens if I need a quick adjustment or check-in. This is why we try to keep patients close for at least that initial healing window. At Smile Now, we understand that many of our patients have full calendars. Whether you're retired, travel often, visiting family out of state, or you're flying into us for your treatment, we'll help you plan your appointments, healing periods, and follow-ups around your needs, not the other way around. We'll schedule you strategically, we'll build in better time if needed, and we'll give you a clear green light to when to hit the road or board the plane. And if you're traveling soon after treatment, we'll send you off with everything you need. Written care instructions, rinse kits, medications, and a direct contact number if something comes up. So yes, you can travel after getting dental implants, but like anything surgical, the when and how depends on your unique case. We always recommend giving yourself a few days to heal, to avoid traveling for 5 to 7 days post-op, keeping in close contact with our team if you're going out of town, and most importantly, don't rush it. You've invested in your health and your smile. Let's make sure it heals properly so it lasts a lifetime. If you've got travel plans coming up and you're considering dental implants, let's talk. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group, and we'll create a treatment plan that works for your life, not against it. And make sure that you get the results that you want without compromising your schedule or your healing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to ask us some questions that we can answer on here. Thanks again.